Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set mobile data limit on HONOR Magic5 Lite. To do this, we'll need to open our settings, inside locate mobile network, and then we want to enter data usage and then more data settings. Inside you can set monthly data limit, and you can change between megabytes and gigabytes and enter the number right here. When it's set, then you can enable a start date for it, and here you can change it for I think 1, then it will start at the first day of the month, or for example let's go for 25, then it will start at a day of 25. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.